Hi, let's take a quick look at the Equinox EV's electronic precision shifter. You will notice the electronic precision shifter is located here on the right side of the steering column. The selected position P for park is illuminated in red on the shift lever and is mirrored in the driver information center right there. As a reminder, the driver's seatbelt must be buckled to shift out of park. You can, however, change this requirement later if you'd like to via your settings. To shift into reverse, press the brake pedal and then pull the lever toward you and up. You will see the R is now illuminated here on the shift lever and here on the DIC. To shift into drive, press the brake pedal, pull the lever toward you and down. You will now notice the D is illuminated here on the shifter and also in the DIC. To shift into neutral, press the brake pedal and then pull the lever toward you and hold briefly. Now you will see the N is illuminated on the lever and here in the DIC. After your drive, to shift into park, press the P button on the end of the lever here. You will see the P illuminated on the lever and also again in the DIC.